After the age of 50, your calf muscles become one of the most important foundations for safe walking and overall stability. Today, I'll guide you through simple but powerful ways to strengthen your calves, even if you haven't exercised in years. Strong calves don't just help you walk better, they protect your balance, your joints, and your confidence every single day.
Your calves act like shock absorbers. Weak calves make each step less stable, increasing risk of trips and falls.
Strong calves significantly reduce the risk of falls, the leading cause of injury in seniors.
Notice the difference in balance. Strong calves keep your movement steady and confident.
Your calves act like a second heart, moving blood from your legs back to your upper body, improving circulation. Strong calf contractions help reduce leg fatigue, swelling, and coldness by boosting blood flow.
Strong calves protect your ankles and knees by providing extra stability with every step. When standing or turning, strong calves help you recover balance quickly, preventing potential falls.
Seniors with stronger calves report higher confidence and independence during daily activities.
From walking to climbing stairs, strong calves support daily movements safely and efficiently.
Consistent calf training over just 4 weeks can noticeably enhance walking stability and reduce fall risk.
If you cannot stand on your tiptoes for more than 5 seconds, it may indicate weak calf muscles.
Frequent nighttime cramps can be a sign that your calves are not strong enough to support daily movements.
Noticeable shaking or instability when walking downhill often points to weak calf muscles.
If your steps feel heavy or slow, it may indicate that your calves lack sufficient strength. Swelling and fatigue in the legs can result from weak calf muscles, unable to pump blood effectively. Recognizing these signs early allows you to take action and start strengthening your calves for safer, more confident walking.
Stand behind a chair for support. Rise up onto your toes, hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly.
Perform 10 to 15 repetitions for 2 sets to strengthen your calves safely. This seated exercise is perfect for beginners or those with joint pain. Lift your heels slowly, then lower with control. Complete 15 to 20 repetitions for 2 sets to gradually improve calf strength. This stretch relieves stiffness and improves flexibility. Hold each side for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat the stretch 2 to 3 times per leg to maintain healthy calf flexibility. This exercise trains your balance and ankle control. Hold onto a chair if needed for support. Perform 5 to 10 repetitions on each leg to strengthen calves while improving balance.
Here's a simple 4-week plan. Perform strength exercises 3 days per week and stretch every day.
With consistent effort, you'll notice stronger calves, better balance, and improved walking confidence in just 4 weeks. Always perform exercises slowly and within your comfort zone to prevent injury.
If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. Respect your body's limits. Use a chair or wall for support when needed, especially if you're starting out or recovering from injury. Strong calves improve balance, protect joints, and give you the confidence to walk safely every day. Remember, building strong calves is not just about walking. It's about protecting your mobility and enjoying life with confidence. Thank you for watching. Strong calves not only improve walking, they protect your entire body as you age. If you want more expert tips on maintaining mobility and strength after 50, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'd love to hear from you. What exercise are you doing to keep your legs healthy? Leave a comment below.
Keep moving, stay strong, and enjoy life. with confident steps every day.